In this short video, let's walk through how to use the kiosk mode in Jobman software. So from the user menu panel, scrolling down to the bottom, clicking on kiosk to enter kiosk mode. Kiosk mode is ideal for workers in the factory or installers who are just logging time and attendance on job tasks. Choose the staff person, enter your PIN code, and you've now entered the kiosk mode. In the kiosk mode, you'll be able to see up top left here your agenda screens that you have access to. So you can see jobs. If you have access to leads and projects, you'll be able to see those agenda screens that have been set up for you. Down here, you'll be able to see recent tasks. Up in the top right here, you'll see the user profile, the staff person logged in. Clicking on the icon there to choose your profile. The squares icon is to go back to the main menu in the kiosk mode. This is the notifications icon, so you can actually see any notifications that have been sent through that you need to read, and the little question mark icon is your help documentation. So if you want to know more about a certain functional feature, the back arrow here is to exit kiosk mode. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at your agenda screens. So you'll have to click on one of your agenda screens. For example, clicking on jobs here, and we'll be able to see all our pending tasks and also completed tasks. Looking at your pending tasks, these will be ordered for you from the priority of being the highest to the lowest. Over here to the right, you'll have three dots on top of each other. By clicking on this, you'll have different options available. One is to start time recording. This one's set progress. This one's to mark it off as completed, and this one's to mark off the task as not applicable. To start time recording, click on start, and you'll get this notification here. Click start, and you'll start time recording and a timesheet entry. Setting progress, click on set progress. This is a sliding scale, so you'll just slide it and update the progress that you believe you have completed. This will also update the bar chart. To mark it off as completed, hit completed, and the confirmation here, mark as completed. That'll complete the task. Going back, so clicking on the squares to go back into the kiosk mode. Down here, if you have tasks that are listed and you don't want to go onto an agenda screen, again with the right hand corner, you'll have the three dots on top of each other. You can also view more tasks, so you can expand this out. But clicking on this little icon here, and you'll be able to access the options to start time recording, set progress, mark as completed, or mark as not applicable. So again, to go through the process, to start time recording and a timesheet entry on the task, click start task, and then with the confirmation window here, confirming that you're going to create a new timesheet entry. So click start task to confirm. Going back to the main kiosk mode menu, if you want to exit the kiosk, click on the back arrow and it takes you out of the kiosk mode. So that's how kiosk mode works in Jobman software.
Are you still requiring further assistance on this topic or any other topic in Jobman software? No problem at all. See here these help article links. Simply click on these at the top of the page and your questions will be answered on this topic or any other topic further in Jobman.